Hey guys, Dale here. Welcome to episode 2 of Disassembly for recycling on old, broken, dead laptops. So this one here is an Ideapad 330, 15 IKB is the model. Gonna strip this down, see if there's anything salvageable out of it. Not really sure. Optical drive is already missing out of it here for whatever reason. Yeah, generally these are either just broken or have bad motherboards. So we get them, we recycle them, don't just throw them in the garbage. So let me start by getting my little triangle spudger tool here, and I'm going to see if I can open it up. With all the screws being out, of course, before you do this. Now because it is just, I'm taking it apart for recycling, I don't have to be super careful, but sometimes palm rest, I can save those, use them, sell them really cheap, help somebody out. They don't want to buy a brand new one. But yes, I save old parts if they work. That's busted. Hard drive's already been removed. Got a stick of RAM over here. See what that is. If I can get it out. Just looked outside, it was bright. Basic 4 gig DDR4. But we're going to remove the motherboard and all the guts. Let's pop the battery out. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to get the battery out. But whenever I have time, get caught up a little bit, my boneyard gets pretty full back there. I basically run out of room to stack old, broken, dead laptops. Or desktops, but usually laptops. And once it gets too full, I have to do what I'm doing here, get them ready to recycle, because the recycle guy likes to only just strip them down. So there's a battery we're going to recycle. We recycle everything, everything we can. Here's our CMOS battery. Pop that out of there. Maybe. Another battery. There's a 2.5 inch hard drive caddy. Don't need that. Got our Wi-Fi card over here. Let's disconnect our little antennas. But you can see this. One screw right here. I do save all the screws. Wi-Fi card gone. Gonna undo these antenna wires here. Yeah, they got them wrapped underneath here. Ugh. Come on. There. Fish these out of here carefully. I think I can save that lid. Take the fan and the heat sink out. There should be another screw back here in the corner for the cooling fan. Unplug that. Looks very clean. Probably works fine. Throw that down there as well. Now here's Lenovo's famous sticker. It says Lenovo, we remove that and you void your warranty. You don't care about that. Start disconnecting all of our ribbon cables here. Little I/O board here the optical drive plugs into. Goes in with the other PCBs. Usually we got 2 screws over here where the charging port is. I just thought I'd start doing videos on these. You guys might find it interesting to see how these things come apart. We got our screen cable here. Flip the little lever up. Removerize it. Just get rid of the heat pipe here, get it off the CPU, 3 screws holding that down. If you ever want to repaste, it's not too hard to take these off on any laptop. Can't upgrade the CPU, but you can certainly repaste it if you need to, so that comes right off. Not too bad of a paste job there, I guess. So we got our ribbon cable here for the keyboard. Right here, we're going to flip the little lever up, pop it out, get that off. Let's work our way around. We got our speaker connector right here on the motherboard. Pull that back. And yes, you could say you take out the speakers and save those if you wanted to, just like this. I've put new motherboards in these many times before, but there's your speaker system right there. Pop up our connectors for all of our ribbon cables, or our 2 ribbon cables. Just don't always have a lot of time to do this. We get an old broken laptop or a dead laptop, just goes in the boneyard back there. We need a part off it or something, we go grab it and put it back until we get time to do this. The recycle guy won't take the whole laptop, which I totally understand. So we just get the guts out of them, so to speak. Now I gotta flip up the hinge here. Oh, we got one more screw right here in the corner, my bad. And I got a couple over here in this corner. Get my number 1 Phillips. Hinge areas seem to be in good shape on this one, so that's good. Get these separated here if I can. Come on, get out of there. And there's fried motherboard. And we have these, we have separation. Palm rest isn't too bad a shape. Little wear on the space bar here. I'm sure it's fine. 8th generation Core i3, not too old, but older. So we're gonna hang on to that, and we got a lid here with our Wi-Fi, our LVDS cable. Hinges appear to be okay. Typically they break free from down here on the plastic where the screws are. See that all the time. So that's it on a Lenovo Ideapad 330 15 IKB. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys.